Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove pimples or any other skin defects from your photos in one click on Lensa app. That's completely free, and be sure you watch this video to the very end so you wouldn't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first just open up Lensa app. Once the app is opened, right here just tap at that big plus sign to be able to select a photo. It brings you your camera roll, and from here you can scroll down and select any picture that you want to improve. Let it be that one. I can just tap on that picture to check mark it, and once I did that, I can just hit on add to add this picture to Lensa app. So now, in order to remove pimples, here I got one. I can easily remove it in one click. All I have to do is right here tap at that icon. That's actually object remover icon. It looks like eraser. You can just tap on that. That moves you to object remover. Then you can scale your image to find the object that you want to remove, and after that you just have to highlight that object. So you can just draw on this purple circle around the pimple, and once you've done that you can hit add remove selected to remove that pimple. I can tap right here at that button and see what happens. That's it. Now I can scale this image, and as you can see, there are no more pimple on that face. Also, in any time I can hit at show before, and once I hold down my finger at show before feature, you can see the original picture. And now you know how you can easily remove any skin defects from the photo. And let me show you another one. So you can remove one more pimple in the simple way, just like that. You can highlight them, you can hit at remove selected, and now you see how you can easily remove any pimples from the skin. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Lensa tutorials playlist where you will find another useful tutorials. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.